Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing video. This one is coming from my longtime buddy, kid, I, kid, a guy that I grew up with, known since I was a kid. My oldest friendship. He is the godfather of my daughter. I am the godfather of his son, and he is kind of into watches. He's more into bases. He's got like about a dozen bases, but he's kind of getting into watches. And he actually has some decent pieces, I have to say. So he saw this watch that some dude was wearing, some celebrity chef was wearing, and he's like, I need to get this watch. And so he was like, you know what? I'm gonna order it. I'm gonna send it your way. I know you like to do the unboxings, and I was like, hell yeah, man, send it over. So we have it here. It's the Nixon 51-30 Chrono. I was not really familiar with this watch. You know, when he saw this watch on this guy on TV, he was like, "Can you do you know what watch this is?" And it was hard for me to find out. And I tried to look at the images and I couldn't make it out. This thing is huge. Um, this thing is so huge. Uh, and he was like, I want to get it. I love it. I want to get it. And then he finally figured it out. Oh my God. Look at this thing. I mean, look, my buddy Nerio, he's a big dude, man. You know, he's a big boy. He's built, you know, so he's got probably way bigger wrists than me. Oh my God, this thing's a tank. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Holy cow. So I'm not really too familiar with Nixon, um, but this thing is massive, dude. Nerio, you're gonna have some fun with this, man. So this is a quartz. I believe it's a quartz, but that second hand is not moving. Oh, I gotta pull this tab. That's what I gotta do. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do this off camera. I don't want to mess this up on camera. But anyway, guys, look forward soon to doing a review on this thing. This thing is massive. Oh my God. I mean, hey, look, you can read this from a mile away. This is great. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.